Today I want to show you how to make a simple thumbnail using the Canva app. So you are going to tap on your Canva app and you're going to go in your search bar and you're going to type in YouTube thumbnail, and you would type for cooking, vlogging, whatever you want, you put it in. So let me try for cooking. So when you do that, you press search and it will give you some samples of cooking thumbnail that you would want to use. Okay, so let's try this one. So what you will do here, this picture, if you notice, there are different things. There are words and there are pictures. Okay, so you can replace the pictures and you can change the words. You can remove the word, you can add word or words, just the same. So let's say I want to change this soup to my picture or something else about what I am cooking, right? I would go down to the left at the bottom here and I will press replace. When you press replace, it will take you to your gallery. Okay, so you will choose in your gallery what you want. Say I want to use these carrots, so I'll choose the carrot. If you want to use your photo, you would find the picture that you want to replace. So you would press on it and it will automatically select what you want. Okay, when you press on it and it is highlighted, you can use these little arrows to make it smaller or bigger. Smaller or bigger. This line here at the left, it is at the left and the right, is used to make it wider. You can make it narrow, right? And you can carry it up or you can carry it down. Okay, so depending on how you want it, then you would fit it. Okay, so when you finish, you are going to tap away from the picture and it's going to take off the highlight. So okay, we are finished now with the picture. We are going to the words. So it said how to make delicious masala paneer at home. So suppose I want to write how to make delicious jerk chicken at home. I can press here, and once it is highlighted, if you notice down the bottom here where you see edit font text style font size color, you can press edit and it will come up like that and you can type. You can backspace and take out the information that is already there, or if the word is if the word or words are already highlighted, you can just start typing and it will replace it. Okay, so I want to say how to cook delicious jerk chicken. Okay, so how to make delicious jerk chicken. If you notice, the same style that was in there before is the same style that is going to be in there in the box when you replace it. So if you want to change it, you can just come off and go back and you can change the font. If you want, you can change the text style. If you want, you can change the size if you want and make it a little bigger or a little smaller, whatever suits you. You can change the color as well. You can put it to red, green, black, whatever color you want. So you will change it to the color that you want, and you just top off again. Okay, and you will do it for everything. Suppose like this now is a little down on the at home, so you can just highlight it again and just carry it up a little, push it up a little. So you can push it up, push it down, you can take it out of the space, rearrange it. Okay, so you can just hold it. Once it is highlight, the cursor is over it, you can do whatever you want. You can manipulate it. Okay, you tap off again off it, and you will go. If you want to change how to make and write your own thing, you will just go back down to the bottom where you say edit to the left, and you would edit and put whatever you need inside the box. Okay, and here you have the subscription. You can remove it if you want, or you can let it stay. Say for instance, I want to add something to this that is already here. What I can do, I press element down the bottom here, and these are all the things that you can get. Say it's Christmas and I want a Santa so I can go and press on the Santa. You see, I can bring the Santa in, and the Santa is going behind the words. I can make the Santa small, right? I can make the Santa small. I can bring up the Santa head, let it a little bit taller. However you want to put if you want to put him behind the words, that's, you can do whatever. Remember, once it is highlighted, you can manipulate this image. Okay, so you would set the Santa. Say I'm putting the Santa right down here at the corner. I will just make him a little smaller, and just fit him right there. Okay, so this is your Santa. So you will bring in element. If you want to add something, you would press element. Say I want to put something else. If you want frame at the top here, you can press frame. If you want Christmas, arrow, line, circle, whatever you want, you would see it right there. Okay, and you will just, if you don't want anything, you just tap back. You just tap back and you go back to your thumbnail that you are being creating. Okay, so what you will do now, you will just go to the top right hand corner and you would press the arrow that is turning down, which is download. Okay, so you would press the arrow and it will save directly to your gallery. You just go back to your gallery, and here is your thumbnail. This is your beautiful thumbnail. So this is how you make a simple thumbnail on the Canva app. Pretty easy. Thank you so much for staying to this far. I want to encourage you to leave a comment, leave a like, share. If you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in another video.